related development, Director General of the National Biodiversity Management Agency, NBMA, Dr. Agnes Yemisi Asagbra, has called for collective action in order to safeguard Nigeria's rich biodiversity. The DG made the call in a statement issued to commemorate the 2023 World Biodiversity Day. Dr. Asagbra said with this year's theme, From Agreement to Action, Bring Back Biodiversity, is an urgent call for concrete steps and collective effort to restore and protect the rich biodiversity that sustains our planet. She said biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth which supports the functioning of ecosystems, provide essential resources, and the well-being of all living beings. She said Nigeria is a party to the Convention on Biodiversity and will therefore continue to uphold the tenets of the Convention. Dr. Asagbra re-emphasized the agency's role as the regulator of modern biotechnology and its commitment to biodiversity conservation and sustainable development. World Biodiversity Day is commemorated on the 22nd of May annually.